In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view server member list in Discord Mobile. If you're new to Discord on your phone, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look, so you can see everyone in a server without digging through menus. We'll keep it simple and stick to just a few taps. First, open Discord and go to the server where you want to view the member list. A server is the community space where you chat, share media, and join channels. Make sure you're actually inside the server you have in mind. Once you're there, the main screen will show that server's channels and conversations. If you're in multiple communities, double-check that you've opened the right one so the list you see is for the correct place. Next, select a general text channel inside that server. Most servers have a channel called General, but it can be any text channel that you can access. Choosing a text channel puts you in the standard chat view and makes the next step clear and consistent. You'll know you're in a text channel when you see the message history and the typing box at the bottom of the screen. Now, look to the top of the screen and tap on the channel name. You'll see the channel's title in the header bar, usually starting with a hashtag. Tapping that name opens the channel's details view. This view is designed to give you quick context about where you are and who's there, so it's the perfect place to check the member list. From here, you can see the server members. You'll typically find them organized by role or online status, which makes it easy to scan for moderators, admins, or friends who are currently active. As you scroll, you'll notice profile names and avatars, and sometimes presence indicators that show whether someone is online, idle, or offline. This is a helpful way to learn who's part of the community and to get a feel for how active it is at a glance. If you don't see as many people as you expect, keep in mind that some servers organize visibility by roles and channel permissions. That means you'll only see members who have access to that channel or who are visible within the server's settings. You haven't changed anything by opening this view. It's read only and safe to explore. That's all there is to it. Go to the server, open a general text channel, tap the channel name at the top, and you'll have the member list right in front of you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your communities on Discord Mobile.